As a mom of a 2-year-old toddler and a newborn, I find myself spread pretty thin. It almost feels like I have no time for myself, not unless I make a conscious effort to carve me time out. Taking that time out is so important for my mental, emotional, and physical well-being. If I were to suffer from fatigue, I'd probably be less of the mom I want to and can be to my children. My postpartum massage session with Theresa have given me brief windows of respite in the day, helping me to recharge and recover to take on the arduous task of parenting. I love how relaxed my whole body feels after each session, and it brings me extra comfort knowing that these sessions help to restore my body to pre-pregnancy conditions. And to moms out there who are feeling defeated, I just want you to know that you are not alone. I hope you'll be able to take time out for some self-care because you deserve it. Thank you, Theresa.